And I'm pretty sure, yep, that's not supposed to be like that. Just found this at Morrison's. Now the reason why I got it is because it says Gold Coast, Australia on it, which is obviously where me and Chloe lived for a time. We are here in the Gold Coast. It's where the city meets the beach. Afternoon, Isaac, and all your friends. So yeah, sentimental value, surfing school bus. And as you can see, there's multiple Hot Wheels down this confectionery aisle. Look at them. So many. There's no Volkswagens, but that's pretty funny, isn't it? No way. There's a Hot Wheels advent calendar. Does not contain Hot Wheels. Fuck's sake. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is supposed to be attached in there. That looks promising. So does that. That one actually fits in there. Okay, so we've got that bolt there and the other one just there, and that is not going anywhere. There you go. Keys to a good story. Problem, action, resolution. Right, this is the second time this has happened now. I've just gone to lock the door and it's just like clicked and then clicked again. Now it's in this position and it's just doing nothing, isn't it? Can't even take the key out of the door and it's not locking or unlocking. I'm at the supermarket. I was about to get some food and now I can't leave this unlocked, so I've got to drive home with the key in the door. This is my lesson learned. Never buy cheap plastic. Okay, luckily I did keep the original handles, so let's just change these over in 3, 2, 1. There we go. We've got our old key back, which locks and unlocks, and the door opens beautifully, like much better than this piece of Chinese crap. This is the passenger side now. This one opens fine, but it doesn't unlock. It locks, but it doesn't unlock. Even though I prefer the chrome handle, looks fantastic, especially when you've got little chrome bits everywhere. And eventually I'd love to have some chrome mirrors, but I'm gonna have to change these back to the originals as well. So ready, and there we go. Got the original door handles now, which lock and unlock and open really nicely. Shame about the shutting part. I'm sure there's loads of other Mark 1 owners. You have to slam that door. This is something that I noticed a while ago, and this might be German engineering, I don't know, but I noticed that there is a little cutout here, and I just thought, is that so you can stick a screwdriver through there, so you can pull the rubber seal out, and you can look at that angle. Because if you don't, look, you can't really get to there. So I thought, I wonder if they put that little cutout in there just so you can get your screwdriver in. If they did, that's brilliant. That is, I really like that. As you can see, it's not the Volkswagen official, because the Volkswagen official would have the emblem. I don't know, maybe the parts are slightly different shaped. I don't know, but nonetheless. This is starting to piss me off now. Oh, why the fuck? Why does that keep losing connection, man? See, like, that's how it should look. Parking lights on the side, working in the front. That's how it should be. But for some reason, maybe it's like every time I go over a bump, this side loses connection. Look, you can see it's like just one little movement at the back, it just loses it. I need to take a closer look at that, because that's pissing me off. So I've been doing some thinking. I haven't been doing a crazy amount of filming just because it's just been pissing down with rain like every single day for like the past, what seems like the past month. It's just rained but nonetheless, during this time I've been able to do a lot of thinking, and I've decided, and this is nothing you need to worry about right now, but I've been doing a lot of thinking, and what I want to do is I want to, you see, every time I fall into a hobby or an interest or something, for some reason I create a separate Instagram and a separate YouTube channel for that interest if I decide to film some of it. Now, what I want to do is have everything in one place, all of my hobbies in one place, whether it's cycling, documenting the Volkswagen pickup truck, photography, films, traveling, all of that good stuff. I want to have all in one place. So what I'm gonna do is eventually, now this is where you don't need to worry about anything. I'm not going anywhere, I'm not stopping anything or anything like that. But what I am gonna do is go back to my old YouTube channel, which has the majority of some of my most treasured memories on that channel. The videos speak for themselves, and what I'm gonna be doing is slowly uploading the videos from this channel to the older channel, and then when I'm all caught up there, I'm going to move from, you know, uploading onto this channel to the other one. So you don't need to do anything right now, don't worry. But what that does mean is that at some point in the future, when that channel is all caught up, I will be transferring you guys over to that channel. So there'll be a shift. So all it means is that you go from this channel and go to that channel and click that channel to subscribe to. If you wanted to get ahead of everybody else, you could go into the description of this video and I'll leave the link to that channel, which will become the Dan Locke channel. Now, I know there's going to be mixed feelings about this. You know, the Monster Rabbit is still such a massive part of me, what I do here. That's not going to change. But the name, as we've seen, it started with the Monster Caddy, then it went to Mark 1 Motorworks, then it went to the Monster Rabbit. So my name, Dan Locke, is the only thing that's constant. That's never gonna change. So it kind of makes sense to have my YouTube channel my name, because we all know that that is never going to change. I don't want to get too deep with this, but I also had this weird, my brain went down this really weird rabbit hole, and I just thought, one day I'm gonna die. And it would be great to leave behind this place, this library of videos, you know, I don't know, sounds really weird, but like, it's kind of cool to have all of my memories and all of my stories and everything in one place, as opposed to having like a channel for photography, one for trucks, one for travel, and so on and so forth. I want everything to be in one place. Who knows, YouTube might not even be a thing whenever I die, but what you can expect way in the future is that my channel will be not just documenting what happens with this truck, it will also be, you know, when we go camping with the truck, it'll also be, you know, photography videos, it'll be like everything, daily vlogs, everything will be in this new channel. So yeah, that's where my head is at right now, and I just, like I said, you don't need to do anything, you don't need to worry about anything. I'm still going to be uploading to this channel for the time being, but in the future I will be going over to this other channel where I hope to just post more about me as a whole and all of my hobbies and interests into one place, you know, as opposed to having just one channel per interest. It just doesn't feel right. But that's not to say that I'm going to stop doing Volkswagen content and stuff like that. I just want to share more of my life, because I feel like there's more to me than just pretending to be a mechanic and pretending to know what I'm doing with this truck. I want to share more of me, more of my hobbies, more of my life in one place. And from the conversations that I've had with a lot of you guys, whether it be on social media, in person, whatever, a lot of you are behind me on this, and a lot of you agree, and we also share similar interests. Like, I'm really into fixed gear bikes, or I used to be a lot more into it, and I kind of want to bring that back. And I know there's some of you that really enjoy cycling as well as, you know, photography and filmmaking and all that other stuff. We have so many interests, and I just want to dive into some of those. And I feel like if I do it all on one place, I think that would be so much better for me. So yes, in the future we're going to go from the Monster Rabbit to just the Dan Locke YouTube channel. I don't know what it's going to be called, but it's going to be my name, because that will never ever change. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. I'm just keen to know what your thoughts are. If you have any ideas, please do share them in the comments below. See, look, it's pissing down with rain right now. I just can't wait for it to stop raining so I can get out there with the drone. I've got so many videos lined up. I'm not going to give anything away, but I'm waiting for it to stop raining so that I can go over to this person's house and start filming again. So I've got so many ideas and so many videos coming up. I just need to wait for the weather to change back to dry. Anyway, thank you for being patient, and again, like I said, don't worry about anything. I'm not changing anything. You don't need to go anywhere. Just know that one day it's going to go from Volkswagen truck stuff to not just that, but also everything else that I have interests in. So, and I'd love for you to stick around, and I appreciate you. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.